wanting to hear about them two, Captain Tom and Captain Hugh? Very well, very well. But it isn't much of a story to tell, for whoever is, let you know who you got middling well and whether or not. Now, these two captains, they were all allowing was the two best that was sailing out of Castletown, and the both of them went to school together. Never no relations of that, but up the Claddagh Gate of Buckyones, or tickling trouses under the stones, or down at the race, or out at the mall, or over plaguing Lucas's bull, or any fun there was going, you see, where the one was there would be, and sticking mortal close and backing one another up, whatever was acting, backing one another still. And yet, though very respectable, like according to their station, and going to teaching navigation at Master Cowan. There was general known as the grandest master that was going. A one-armed man. Oh, I'll be bound you had to look slippy you went to Cowan. That was the man to trim a scholar. Only wink on the hook in your collar, and wouldn't listen to no excuse, and working the killag like the juice. So these two boys got on, though. Oh, got on, I tell you, and passing by all the men, and very much let, and studier till you'd expect. So from one thing to another, they got to be masters of smacks, the two of them. Master Catines, you'll have heard of him? No? Really? Well, that's the way. And every dog must have his day. So when they got married, they wouldn't be bet but two sisters. They were scheming to get, and got them too, by the name of Sale, and a nice pick of money to their tail. And right enough too, not felt on the farm. Little money do no harm, but mind you have it in the land, do you hear? That's your certain now. Very nice. And the bigger the loaf, the bigger the slice. And still there's some that'll take the hoof, and grab'll never have enough. And what with the lean, and what with the fat, maybe £100 of that and a little interest in the will. Bless you, very comfortable. Good wives they were, let alone the 10. And christening for christening, and as handsome a breed as ever you'd see, and very nice and orderly. Now the sisters were living next door to each other, civil to all, but cautious rather, and weren't allowing their children to be running out on the street and fussing and swearing and ragging their clothes. And Ned Maddrell, that's the uncle, that was mostly always in drink, weren't allowed to come nigh them, as if his very look would destroy them. But the children might have been his own, he was that fond of them, and you'll never know what the like is feeling. But either sister, no matter, let her see the uncle coming and up the stair with the children straight, and long and shocking, and not a sight to be seen of the one of them. Maybe you'd hear a little noise like the birds make in the thatch and in the bushes of a moonlight night. You'll have heard these thrushes, and the ballyclink, he'd look and he'd listen, and them knowing perfect what he was missing, but he daren't say a word, for if he did, some chickens they had on the left, he said. No lie at all, just a way to speak. Excellent women, and no mistake.